Cool structure that once used to be a house here on the Tennessee and Nickajack Lake. Very cool. Only if those walls could talk. So this stream is, or I should say waterfall, runs off the mountain and into the Tennessee River, I believe. As you can see, look at how clear that water is. And as you can see over here, oh, there's a couple. I didn't realize that. So there's one coming from this way up there, then there's this one, and then there's this one. That is really cool. So like 3 streams running into one going down the mountains. Very cool. And as you can see, it goes way up there. So neat. All right, guys, looks like we got a couple more streams right here that run off the mountain. There's like 2 or 3, I think. 2 maybe. This one, they actually run underneath right here, underneath the rocks right here. Underneath both those from up top somewhere. And then it runs over here, underneath the road, obviously, and into the Tennessee River. That's cool. Another little creek. Kind of cool. It's got like 2 little channels here and then flows over there on that side of the road. And then into the Tennessee River. Way out here in Whitwell today. Figured I'd film this cool waterfall that's coming down the mountain. It's way up there somewhere. And then filming down here. And then underneath the road, and into the Tennessee River or Nickajack Lake. All right, that's it.